What's the meaning of coca? Coca. Coca.
Coca. Coca. Coca is a term that can refer to various things depending on context. It can be a reference to the plant from which cocaine is derived, or to the popular South American beverage made from its leaves. In some dialects of Spanish, it is also used as a slang word for girlfriend. Additionally, coca is the name of a soft drink brand popular in the Andean region of South America. Overall, the meaning of coca is multifaceted and can carry different connotations depending on the speaker and context.